Welcome to Alfra English channel. Listen to the question and sample answer, then try to answer the same question on your own.
When did you last receive a gift?
Well, that's an interesting question, and it reminds me of a gift that a close friend of mine gave me a few weeks ago. Maria went to Italy last November to visit her grandparents, and after she returned, she gave me a perfume made in Italy. Gucci Premier Eau de Parfum that she gave me was expensive, and I really appreciate her gift. You can share your answers in the comment below. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video.